Hey everyone, it's me. So this is just a stylized treat for you guys, as the main reason for this video is my small little surprise for you guys. So quickly, this is an Audemars Piguet with one of the thinnest movements ever produced in a joint venture by Audemars Piguet, Vacheron Constantin and Jaeger LeCoultre. The watch was previously sold by myself to someone who had it butchered by someone else, and it's now back with me for some repairs and a light polish. From my chinny chin, and that is the size of this. I don't have permission to talk about cost and price and a few other things, but I thought I'd show you guys how much gold is lost during polishing, and you can figure out how much we lose in terms of monetary value. The last person had a right old go at this, and the hairspring stud cover and both screws are missing, which will take a month to get here from my supplier, and the hairspring has snapped off the stud. So instead of waiting for a month, I thought I'd cook this up for you to watch over the Easter holidays. How's it going, daughter? So anyway, YouTube contacted me the other day and said, "Here you, do you want a play button?" So I said, "What does it play?" "It doesn't play anything," they said. "Well, I don't want it then." "It's only a trophy to congratulate you on getting 100,000 subscribers," they replied. "Oh, okay," I said. "Do all my subscribers get one?" "No," they said, "'cause it would be a logistical nightmare." This screw 0.37. Anyway, they gave me a link to a web page, and when I logged in it said, "Please check that the channel name is correct." Thinner than a strand of hair. I assumed this would be the name that goes on the trophy, and it said, "Presented to Nekkid Watchmaker." And I thought, well, what if it's not correct? That means I can change it, right? And so I did. My waistline used to be this thin at one point, but now it's gone. Are you guys ready for the surprise? Look what I got, surprise! Oh.
Wow!
Come on, guys. We have to say thank you to all the subscribers first. Wait, don't show this thing. To show people what we wrote on there, though.
Trouble the account and my subscribers.
Go on, show it. Oh, so cool.
I want to hold it.
Thank you to everybody.
The back is so soft.
What do you guys think? Is that cool? So we got it for Trouble the Accountant and my subscribers. Come on everybody, let's eat. Normally you show appreciation by sharing bread with people. We got us here. No, shall we put us in the plaque for our dinner so we can see? There we go. So there you have it, folks. This was just a little short treat for you guys without too much jibber jabber. The jibber jabber will hopefully return on the next one. And I hope you guys accept my small gesture of presenting this to you all and the other 2 stars of the show. Yeah, I know it's a little bit mushy, but now this award actually means something in this format rather than having the channel name on it. Otherwise I would have probably just used it as a doorstop or something. If a tree falls in a forest and nobody is around to hear the sound, then did it actually make a sound? Well, it's the same on YouTube. I can shout as loud as I want, but if you guys aren't there to watch, then what's the point? So thank you for getting this trophy for us all. Thank you for taking this channel to where it is. And it's been one hell of a crazy ride with you guys over the past year. So until next time, friends, stay safe, look after yourselves, and look after one another. Peace, love, and blessings to you all. And if the Almighty wills, I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra!